In this video we'll provide an overview of OptiCut, our cutting optimization software. We will import a cutting list of parts from a cabinet set up in PolyBoard. OptiCut will then take that cutting list and calculate the cutting patterns from a stock of panel and bar materials. Although we are going to show the integration with PolyBoard, OptiCut is a standalone application that allows you to import the cutting list manually or from a spreadsheet, CSV or DXF files. This test cabinet in PolyBoard includes a frame and panel assembly on the left, so we can show both the bar and panel optimizations. On the right we have frameless facades to show you OptiCut's perfect grain feature. This ensures the parts are placed next to each other on the panel, so the grain flows naturally across them in your finished project. With all these facades selected, we can right-click to see that we've already activated the grain continuity feature. Now we'll go to the cutting list menu and select OptiCut Export. An OptiCut file is created, one for the panel optimization ending in OCP and another for the bars ending in OCB. OptiCut opens automatically with these files open and ready too. The cutting list of bar parts has opened first. We're actually going to look at the panels first, so we'll close this window and click on the Panel tab, and then click on the cutting list icon here. This window shows a list of all the parts that require cutting from our panel stock. As alternatives to the PolyBoard integration, the cutting list can be imported from a spreadsheet here, or you can select the New button and individually add parts. Our materials and stock of panels and bars is already set up. The materials in fact are synchronized with PolyBoards. However, as with the cutting list, new materials and a stock of those materials can be added individually or imported. Here is the list of panel materials. And here is the actual panel stock of those materials. For this stock item, we can see the panel dimensions, the material, and in this case the quantity set to unlimited. Whilst we're here, let's change this stock item, the 16mm generic panel stock, from an unlimited number to a stock of 10 panels. Back in the cutting list window now, click on the Optimize button, and OptiCut will search for the best possible optimization according to our optimization parameters and show the results on screen. A single cutting pattern is shown in the main window here. A summary of all cutting patterns is shown at the bottom of the screen. We can click through this to view each individual cutting pattern. The cutting pattern shows the placement of all parts, the cutting lines, usable offcuts, and unrecoverable or waste offcuts. Let's take a look at this Egger cutting pattern now. Here we can see all the frameless facades from our PolyBoard project placed adjacent to each other, so the grain will match across them. The cutting lines window on the left shows the complete cutting sequence. Click on any cut and it is highlighted in red on the cutting pattern. All cutting patterns are available in a printed report. Let's go to the File menu, then Print Preview to take a look. The printout includes a material and cost summary, as well as all the cutting patterns. OptiCut generates labels too. Let's go back to the File menu again, Label Preview this time to see those, and click through to the second sheet. Labels are printed in sequence and can be set up to include the data fields you need. In this case they include the part name, dimensions, CNC file name as text and as a barcode, and the edging locations too. We've got labels for each part and a label for the panel. OptiCut Pro PP comes with a wide range of post-processors to generate the files to run your CNC saw. Go to the File menu, Postprocessors Format, and select the output you need. Then click on this Postprocessor icon to generate the files for your saw. Let's take a look at the bar optimization now. Go back to the Bar tab and select the cutting list icon to show the bar cutting list. Click Optimize to run the optimization and the results are shown. This is very similar to the panel optimization, but this time the cutting pattern relates to bar stock with each part placed along the bar. We can click on the 3D view here as well. Finally, we're going to go back into the panel optimization and select the Deduction icon. This updates our stock levels. We can see the results in the panel stock. The 16mm generic material is now showing one less panel, and all recoverable offcuts have been added to the stock and are available for your next optimization. So in summary, OptiCut significantly speeds up the design to manufacturing process, whilst at the same time minimizing material waste. A quick reminder again that although OptiCut offers a very good integration with PolyBoard, it is a standalone solution for any sheet and bar material. Thanks for watching.